Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by securing your work. Create a quick backup or commit so you can revert if needed. Open the project in your editor and navigate to the style source. That might be a CSS file, a design token JSON, or your theme module. Once located, inspect the scope. Are you changing a global theme variable, a component style sheet, or a page-level override? Make the decision now, because it determines whether you edit one file or update a shared token system. You then make the targeted edits. Change tokens or variables before touching component rules, because that ensures consistent behavior across instances. Use your browser dev tools or Storybook to preview the modifications in context. Tweak values until the visual result matches the intent. Once satisfied, run the linter and formatter to enforce standards and stage only the relevant files. Commit with a clear message describing the style change so collaborators understand the scope. This keeps the change trackable and reversible. Finish by running a full build and executing QA tests, including responsiveness and accessibility checks, because visual changes often expose edge cases. Deploy to a staging environment and verify across browsers and devices. Ask a teammate to review if possible. If something breaks, revert to your backup or commit, isolate the problematic change, and reapply fixes incrementally so you can pinpoint the cause. One key troubleshooting tip: when styles don't apply,
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.